Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Lorna Villera Tapumos, Filipino. I'm graduate of high school. I am married. I am Roman Catholic. I have 2 children. My husband is working as a farmer. I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters. I am 6 in the families. I work as domestic helper in Dubai and Saudi Arabia. My responsibilities are washing, ironing, and cleaning the house. And I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and how to learn speak basic Mandarin language. And I love taking care of children. I bring them to school every day. I give food on time. I love children on my own. I am honest, hardworking, and loyal. I promise to you, I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, Mom and Sir.